Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Trading Bulls. Today's topic is introduction to commodity market. So let's start. Welcome to my YouTube channel Trading Bulls. Commodity market. What is a commodity market? Just we have discussed about commodity market. What is a commodity market? So introduction to Indian commodity market. Indian traders started trading in commodities around the last quarter of the 19th century, much before many other countries started commodity trading. In India, there has been long history of commodity future of more than 125 years. Wide speculations in commodity future market and negative sentiment prompted the government to ban commodity future trading in mid 17th. Here are we have discussed commodity market. So just we have discussed about an overview. So commodity trading and overview. Commodities are an important aspects of most Indians daily life. A commodity is a basic good used in commerce that is interchangeable with other goods of the same type. Traditional example of commodities includes grains, gold, beef, oil and natural gas. For investors, commodities can be important way to diversify their portfolio beyond traditional securities because the prices of commodity tend to move in opposition to stocks. Some investors also rely on commodities during period of stock volatility. In the past, commodities trading required significant amount of time, money and expertise and was primarily limited to professional traders. Today, there are more options for participating in the commodities market. Key takeaways. Here are some key takeaways about commodity market or commodity tradings. Commodities that are traded are typically sorted into the four categories. Number one, metal. Number two, energy. Number three, livestock and meat. And last, agricultural. For investors, commodities can be commodities can be an important way to diversify their portfolio beyond traditional securities. In the most basic sense, commodities are known to be risky investment propositions because their market supply and demand is impacted by the uncertainties that are difficult or impossible to predict, such as unusual weather patterns, epidemic and disaster, both natural and human made. There are a number of ways to invest in commodities, such as future contracts, options, ETF, exchange traded fund, etc. A history of commodities trading. Trading commodity is an ancient profession with a longer history than the trading of stock and bonds. The rise of many empires can be directly linked to their ability to create complex trading systems and facilitate the exchange of commodities. In modern time, commodities are still exchanged throughout the world. A commodities exchange refers both to physical location where the trading of commodities take place and to legal entities that have been formed in order to enforce the rules for the trading of standardized commodity contracts and related investment products. Type of commodities. Commodities that are traded are typically sorted into the four categories. Number one, metal. Number two, energy. Number three, livestock and meat. And last, number four, agricultural. Here are some brief description about the type of commodities. One is a soft commodity. Next, hard commodity. What is a soft commodity? Where here are the some soft commodities. Here are the hard commodities. What is the soft commodities? Like oil seeds, spice, pulses, potatoes, fiber, sugar, etc. Hard commodities. What is hard commodities? Number one, industrial commodities like copper, nickel, zinc, aluminium, lead, tin, steel. And next, precious metals like gold, silver, platinum, etc. And second, energy, crude oil, natural gas, power. So here are the two type of commodity. One is a hard commodity and soft commodity. Commodity traded on exchange, commodity market, precious metal, base metal, energy and agriculture products. What is precious metals? Like gold, silver, platinum, base metal, copper, zinc, nickel, lead, aluminum, tin, energy, crude oil, natural gas, ATF, agricultural, oil, seed, spice, others. Here are the commodity, different type of commodities. Okay, the four main categories of commodity. The type of investment that can be traded on the global commodities market can be broadly divided into the four main categories: metal, energy, livestock, agriculture. Category 1 is metal. Metal commodities including gold, silver, copper, platinum or other valuable metals. Energy. Category number 2, energy. Energy commodities includes natural gas, crude oil, petroleum and heating oil. Category number 3, livestock. Livestock and meat commodities including live cattle and feeder cattle. And last category, agricultural. Agricultural commodities includes crops such as wheat, corn, rice, sugar, cotton, coffee, etc. Types of market for commodity trading: spot trading, future trading, forward trading, option trading, swap trading. We will discuss later on. Types of transactions: spot, forward, future, options. What is spot? Immediate delivery, cash traded. Delivery, cash trades and prompt exchange of goods for money. What is a forward? Transfer ownership, future dates, no cash change today and not necessarily standardized. Future, specific type of forward, organized exchange, traded, centralized trading and liquidity. What is option? Option, call or put options. If by option, buy right, sell somebody right to make decision. Commodities versus equities. Here we have comparison between the comparative state. We have compare the equity and commodity. So first we have start nature of product. In commodity market, commodities are undifferentiated goods required for consumption and manufacturing of finished goods. And equity trading, equity in nature of product, equities are financial instruments that represent ownership in the company. Ownership. In commodity trading ownership, you are not buying any ownership stake. In fact, you are not even purchasing the commodity. You are buying ownership stake in the company. Duration in commodity market, commodity are traded for shorter duration, and in equity trading duration, equities can be held for positional trading. And purpose in commodity trading, the purpose is to hedge against price fluctuations or benefit from the price swing in the market. And the purpose in equity trading, the purpose of the build wealth through long-term capital appreciation and dividend income. Margin, commodities are traded on margin, provides high leverage. Traditionally, equities are not traded on margin. Volatility, commodities are highly volatile as their price are relatively difficult to predict the forecast. Equities are relatively less volatile. Trading hours, commodity trading happens for longer hours such as 9:30 to 6:30 or 11 p.m. Equities traded time is 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. Snapshot for Indian commodity market. There are two major commodity exchange in our India. One is MCX, Multi Commodity Exchange, and next is NCDEX, National Commodity and Derivative Exchange. So here are the snapshot what product trade in our MCX website: bullion, base metal, energy. Okay, and what product trade in our NCDEX website. This is the snapshot. So conclusion: agriculture commodity derivative, where this instrument helps in effective price discovery and risk management at the time of volatility price fluctuation, and it also integrated price structure throughout the country by eliminating unforeseen price change in the agricultural products The investors should keenly watch the situation like market price, economy, returns, and the risk involved in the commodity before taking any decision on the particular commodity. The investors know the commodity market, and technical analysis thus can succeed the market. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.